Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight. I'm just too excited, guys. The markets are looking beautiful today. Before we get into Dogelon Mars, I'm going to do a quick update on the overall markets on what we need to look for. It is pulling back to this support around the 55.8 level, 55.9 level, which is good. We pull out the fib retracement tool. It is showing strong buying pressure around that 5 level, the 50% retracement, which is perfect. So let's move in to the one, the only, the beautiful Dogelon Mars. Alright, so let's get straight into it. This is pretty much following the overall market. However, whenever the overall market spikes, this is going to spike much more because it has lower liquidity and it can move a lot faster. That is why we are trading it, because we can make a lot more money a lot faster. Alright, let's move into the overall levels. So we have seen a break to the downside on this second daily candle. It has broken the 1550 level. Alright, so this is what we need to look for. In a bigger time frame, in a 2-day, this would be a 50% retracement to the this one big green candle. If that makes sense to you, I'll show you exactly what I mean in a smaller time frame. If you guys are OGs, the first time you would average in was on this 50% retracement. Now, it is happening the same exact thing, same exact way on this in the 2 daily candles. Alright? Now, I can't pull up the 2-day candles here, but if I could, you would see one big candle here, then one candle retracing to the 50%. Now, it has started to show some buying pressure. That's exactly what we want to see. We want to see this candle close above this 1560 level, all right? Above this previous red body, which is at the 1555, 1560 level. We want to see this daily candle close above there in order for this to show strong buying pressure, all right? That's the dailies. Let's get into the hourlies. For hourlies, in order to look for the best point of averaging in. All right, this is coming down to a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Now, what we need to see in this next 4 hours, we need to see this next green candle with volume pushing up and overbearing this 1587 level. All right. Let me draw a easy horizontal line for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Boom. We need to see this next 4 hours close above this. That's what we need to see in order for it to come back up and retest these 17s. All right. It's going to be beautiful when it does, and we shall see where it goes. But that's to the upside. To the downside, let's say this candle keeps breaking down. Our next level of support will be around this 1457 to 1360 level. We're going to want to see it touch the top and bounce higher with volume, closing above this previous support, which would then be resistance if it breaks through it, touches this new level of support. Now, approaches the resistance. We want to see it hold above this resistance in the future if it breaks down. So, to simplify, next red candle breaks down. Next candle after that pushes up with volume, closes above this 1515 level. Pretty simple. Now, if it breaks through this, then it will consolidate into this area, unless the overall market is tanking. That is a beautiful, simple technical analysis. Let's pull out the fib retracement tool and just give you guys an overall perspective of the markets. Now, this is on the 4-hourly chart, so we do see some extra price action going, but look how nicely the price action is following this fib level. This is exactly what we want to see, all right? Now, the perfectly natural move to the upside here would be a big green candle overbearing the 1626 level, all right? That's what we want to see in today or tomorrow, my friends. So right now, if you have not added any bags, this would not be a bad time to consider it. This is not financial advice, it's simple opinion from a crypto billionaire, but that is what I am doing. That is what the legends and the patrons are doing, and the Patreon are doing, and that is how we are making money. We average in when everyone else is scared, and yesterday we saw the crypto fear and greed index at a 32. That is beautiful. That means mom and pops are getting scared to sell their bags, while big money is getting excited to buy more. And we follow the big money here. See, it's still 32. It was 34 yesterday. I was 2 off. All right. My friends, if you do not want to follow these charts all day long and you'd rather just have a notification when the best time to buy is, when the best time I am buying in is, then check out the Patreon. We have a really strong community of very intelligent people. If you want to join that, then hurry up because the spots are limited and I just added 5 more on each tier. So, my friends, Crypto Billionaire 69, in-depth daily technical analysis. You guys are beautiful. This chart is looking beautiful. I want to zoom out real quick just to show you guys everything. When in doubt, zoom out. We are seeing strong buying power. Now we did see, we did see a lot of selling pressure here. All right. Now, if you think about it though, this last week has been a retracement in the overall market. So this is very normal. I want to pull up the Bitcoin weekly charts just to compare. I'm actually curious. I have not compared these before. So this is live, in-depth analysis, my friends. All right. You see, this was the weekly candle of last week. Last week. This is this week. This is last week. Now, showed a hammer indicating a reversal pattern. If you guys want to learn more patterns like this, how to identify support and resistance lines, how to identify when the best opportunity to get in before the whales step in to buy more, how to identify emotional cycles, then email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. I have a pre-sale going on, 75% off my course, and it ends tomorrow. So, if you guys want in on that, email me. Anyways, this is what we're looking at compared to, so we have shown strong bullish pressure compared to the overall markets in Dogelon Mars. And that is beautiful, 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 because we are holding along this 0.5 level. Now, what we want to see in this next week is for it to close above this 0.5 level. Week after next, this week we want to see it close above this 0.5 level, Next week we want to see it close above this 0.382 level. If it does that, that is indicating that this is a reversal trend. Now, we probably will see some selling pressure here around these 22s, moving back down to this 0.382 level in the coming weeks. And that is another point of averaging in. All right. Once you have some more money, once you get your paycheck, you're saving up, this would be another good time to add. So to draw it out, it's going to come up here, come back down, and then break through and take off. All right. That is natural. This is what we should expect to see in the overall markets in the coming weeks, my friends. I am doing live price predictions for you guys. It doesn't get more accurate than this, my friends. Look at this. Volume tapering off. Everything's looking beautiful. The news is looking amazing. I actually want to give you guys just a little quick price prediction here. Now, let me pull out this date and price range. All right, from this point, if you averaged in today, all right, us in the Patreon, we've been averaging in all along these areas, along with around the 16s, the 15s, everything we've been averaging in on this dip, because this is a beautiful dip to be doing exactly that. All right, so let's go. At 100%, that is a 2x. We will be at 30, 45. All right, 5 zeros, 30, 45. The market cap will be at around 2 billion right here. All right, 1.8, 1.9, or no, shoes. Wait, what's the market cap is like 838 right now. So that's like 1.6 billion dollar market cap. All right, now 200%. That's $3.2 billion market cap. 300%. 6.4 at 61 cents. $6.4 billion market cap. That is a 1x, 2x, 3x. Wait, yeah, 2x, 3x. That's a 4x right there. 4x at a $6 billion market cap. Moves higher. 6, 12. Yeah. So we are in for a ride, my friends. Now, I can show you guys how to predict what this next move is going to look like. But my goodness, guys, look at this chart. Look at this chart. This is the start of something absolutely crazy, my friends. Just look. This is a perfect retracement showing a perfect bull flag on the weekly candles. These are the weekly candles. This is what institutions trade by. This is what big money billionaires trade by. And this is what they look at. Because they know in the coming weeks, we are heading up, my friends. I'm going to load up right after this video, buy some more. My friends, if you like these in-depth daily technical analysis videos, hit that subscribe button because I post every single day. Again, if you guys don't want to watch the charts, check out the Patreon. There are limited spots. And if you want to learn in-depth technical analysis so you do not have to watch these videos, you could trade any sort of chart like this one with candlesticks. Then email me because the pre-sale ends tomorrow. 75% off. Peace, guys. You guys are beautiful. Have a great day.